What's up, everybody? Bassfishing in Bama, and it is 4:39 a.m. and today is February the 27th, Saturday, February the 27th, and I just got up. I'm at the gas station now, getting some gas to try to go fishing this morning, put the boat in, but I wasn't keeping up with the moon phases and none of that. The weather was good this morning, but I get up this morning, we got a full moon, and we all know what they said about fishing during the full moon. They said, can't catch fish during the full moon. So now I'm debating, do I want to go or not? Hold on, YouTube. Let me go get the pump. Yeah, I'm back. The pump had stopped, so I had to get the pump. Put the pump back up and put the nozzle back up. But yeah, I just got some gas and I wake up this morning, man. We have a full moon, and I didn't even know. And the thing about that, I told myself this year I was going to start keeping up with the moon phases. Sorry about this. I know it got dark, but I'm driving. But yeah, I told myself I was gonna keep up with the different moon phases, especially keep up with the times we have a full moon, because I've been told, not been told, we all heard the rumors about it's not good to go fishing right after full moon. I know some people say go a few days before the full moon, wait a few days after the full moon and go. So now I'm trying to debate, do I want to go? Because this trip is an hour long. I mean, it's an hour to get to the spot that I want to go. And I want to take the boat. I want to put my Jonboat in the water this morning. And if you go back and watch my previous video, you'll see the pond that I'm on, that I'm trying to go to, and the pond that I want to put the boat in. Because I don't have no videos of the Jonboat, or fishing from the Jonboat. I did go out on the Jonboat. It's been a while. It was before I did, pretty much before I did any little add-ons that I did to the boat. So it's been a while since I've been on the boat. So that's the main reason why I want to go, because I want to put the boat in. But like yesterday, I did manage to catch 2 and miss 1. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna go ahead on. So y'all just stay tuned. If I come back and go, if I decide to go, when I come back on, you'll see me at the water. If not, you'll see me back at the house. Y'all just stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Bassfishing in Bama, and as you can see, I'm out on the boat, man. First time ever doing a video on the boat. It's my second time fishing from the boat, but it's just my first time ever doing a video. And before I go any further, if you new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my channel. And if you're new, and if you If you haven't watched my last video, go over and watch my last video. I was at the same exact pond yesterday. And I managed to catch 2 yesterday, and I decided to come out here today on the boat. But the thing about it, when I woke up this morning, it was a full moon. I didn't even know we was going through a full moon phase. And on the way to this pond, I was dreading coming out here because I know how it is to fish out the, during the full moon. I really didn't want to come. And the thing that's so funny about it, I came onto the pond, which is an hour away from my house. I came out and fished from the bank for a little while. And then I was like, well, since I came out here, I might well go ahead on and get the boat. So I went back over to my mom's house, grabbed the boat, and came back. But I haven't had any bites. I see a few crappies playing around, which I do have. I do have some minnows sitting out on a rod. Hopefully I can catch a couple crappies or something. But right now I'm throwing a shaky head. I throw the top water this morning. I also throw chatterbaits. I'm pretty much throwing the same exact stuff that I had in that last video. So hopefully we can get on one. And another thing, this pond is not deep at all. It's not deep at all. And I'm trying to get my depth finder tuned in. I don't know if I think I have the transducer mounted wrong, but I really don't know. But I'm not gonna keep playing with that depth finder. I'm trying to catch some fish now. Maybe when the sun come up, they may start biting, I don't know. Maybe I can get 1 or 2. Like I said, I'm out here after a full moon, so hopefully I can catch 1 or 2. But I'm not gonna just run the camera. I'm gonna do it pretty much like I did yesterday, and that if I catch a fish, I'll come back with the catch. So y'all stay tuned. YouTube, this is a good one, YouTube. Ooh! 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 Ooh, YouTube. This is a good one. YouTube. Oh, I can't get my net. He pegged, don't he? He pegged. Oh man. Oh man, he pegged. Let me get my net. My net may not even be big enough, YouTube. YouTube, do you see this? YouTube, do you see this? Come on. Come on. Oh Lord. Oh man. Oh, my net ain't even big enough. Oh man. Woo! YouTube, do you see the size of this bass? Woo! Woo! Oh boy. Man. Woo! Oh man. Oh man. Woo! YouTube, do you see the size of this fish? Bass in Bama, baby. 2021. After the full moon. Look at the size of that bass, man. I don't know what's going on with the tail. Whew. I got to get the weight. Oh man. Yeah, YouTube, I'm back. I had stopped the camera to get some a couple pictures, and I finally got the weight. 6'3". Biggest bass of 2021, YouTube. Biggest bass of the year. That's my biggest bass in a long time. I don't know what's wrong with his tail, if you see that. If anybody watched this video and you see that, if you could tell me what's wrong with that tail, please drop a comment. But we're gonna get the release on this one. Come on, baby, you free to go. There you go. Whew. I know when them fish right there, when they that size, you have to go and get them on back in the water. It's gonna be okay. I know I kind of kept it out the water a little too long, but it's gonna be okay. Woo! I got that on the original Z-Man chatterbait Carolina craw. I caught that bass right there in probably about maybe about a foot of water.